Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. I'm getting so many lovely comments from everybody and so much love and support, and I just feel my heart is just full. My heart is just overflowing with all the kindness that everyone has been showing me. So thank you so much to all of you who've commented on my videos, who have subscribed to my channel. I am so appreciative. We're back for another episode of Junk Journal January. And as usual, my desk is overflowing. I can't find my one that isn't all wrinkled up. I have a nicer one somewhere. And I'm not feeling the greatest. I'm still sick. So I apologize for my videos maybe being a little bit rambly. Today's day 6 and it is embossed. Now I don't have an embossing like machine to emboss stuff, and I don't have embossing powders to emboss stuff. So the way I'm going to interpret this is I am going to emboss with gesso and stencils. And I thought I had my supplies handy, but now I'm thinking I don't because I don't have my palette knife, but that's okay. I have some other things I can use here. So let's get started. I thought this page was really pretty, so I thought I would do some embossing on this. So I have this really pretty stencil I got off of Amazon. So I'm just going to use some gesso because it's nice and easy. Hopefully this goes well. I actually really love, oh, that's pretty. Now that's kind of white on white, but as that dries, I can add color to it if I want. I can leave it as is just kind of the tone on tone, which I really love tone on tone stuff because it's just subtle and elegant, I feel like. Let me grab my wet wipes. Oh, sorry for the loud noise. So the other day I could only find the wet ones. Now I can only find the dry ones. Oh, this one's not open. Sorry for the wrinkling noise. I hope that's not too loud. Let me make sure I'm recording. Oh, good. I am. Let me just wipe this up before it dries. And then I just made a mess on my mat. So let me get that up. Okay, so there's that one. So when you have different supplies, there's so many different things that you can do. I kind of want to put Paris across here. I'm going to see if I can do this without messing that one up. There's so many ways you can interpret these prompts. If you're watching the other people on YouTube and seeing how they're doing things. Oh, good. That turned out good. So it's all about using what you have. Don't feel like you have to go out and buy anything. There's so many different ways that you can do it. The embossing powders I don't think are that expensive. I just haven't purchased any. And those you can do with stamps. I think I do want to get the little embosser machine eventually, but it's just not a priority. I've been buying lots of vintage goodies lately, so on a budget. I have to choose and pick, and right now while I have such good luck with my vintage finds, I'm going to stick with that stuff for a while, and I'll buy the embossing machine later. They're not that expensive, but it's still not in the budget right now. Okay, so I think that is really pretty. I hope you can see that tone on tone one, how it came out. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So I want to just add something to this page. I definitely need, what's today? I said today's day 6. So let's see if I want to go in with this color. This is a nice subtle color here. Let's see. Maybe I can put it here if it'll show up. There we go. Just a nice little 6 right there, because I'm really enjoying putting the number with each day. And then that's too big. All right, let's start treasure hunting. One of these days I'll show you the pile again that's on my desk, because I did have it straightened out a little bit into piles, but now it's not so much in, well, it's in piles, but not orderly piles now. Oh, maybe some light, some doily. I get to come and pull out and look for treasures. It's treasure hunting on my desk. So here's an altered paper clip that I had. But you know, now that I'm thinking about it, doing a paper clip with this style, oh, I guess it does work, huh? But I don't think I want that. You know, it's not on my desk, but I have these really, really pretty doilies that I happened to find. I think it was on Amazon. Oh, that's sweet. And that looks good from that side. So this is something that I actually had on another journal that I was kind of done with, and so I took it apart. What if I put it down below? I don't have anything sticking out from the bottom yet. I think I like that there. Scissors. There they are. Let me trim this down. So yeah, this was something I pulled off of another journal that I was done with. So you can do that. You can recycle the stuff you've made and used on your journals. Why not? Especially if it was something that you did that you really liked. Oh, so pretty. I still want something up here though. That's got to dry. But when that's, let's see, can I do this? I'm being dangerous now without messing it up. So you can kind of see when it's closed, you'll have that sticking out the bottom. Ooh, living on the edge before it dries. So I want something up here. What shall it be? I could leave that blank for writing. Oh, I feel like it just needs something there. Let's pull a random. Let's pull a random drawer. Oh, I know, that's what I was going to do. I was going to grab that doily. Hold on, I'll be right back. So here is, are they not so pretty? They're very delicate, but I ordered them, and when they came in, I was amazed. Oh yeah, I think I like that. I was amazed at how pretty they were. I think this will play off of the embossing nicely. Okay, let me cut that down some more. A little bit smaller. Trim this edge a little bit. And let's go just a little bit more. You probably can't see how I'm cutting. I'm just cutting. Nothing groundbreaking. Again, it's that tone on tone that I think is really, really pretty. Here's my glue stick. Let's try that. So you guys enjoying Junk Journal January? Are you creating lots? I know it's that time where it's New Year's being on a Wednesday is kind of different. It's like not quite back to normal stuff yet, but almost. As I'm filming this, because I'm trying to be a couple days ahead. Did I stick that on the wrong side? Or did it just bleed through? I think I glued it on the wrong side. Silly me. Oh, being sick is so much fun. You glue things on the wrong side. I have to leave this open anyways because of the gesso needing to dry. Oh, no, that just went down. So that glue on the top will dry. Not to worry. So then, and with the right pen, you could still write over that. And then I want to put, I think, a little bit of this. Let me see what happens when I tear it. I need to put a little bit. Oh, there. I like that. So I'm going to go on the page instead. That's much easier. So we'll put a little bit there. Oops. And I might have to come back and glue down some bits there once it's dry, but there we go. Day 6. That came together really fast. I really like it though. It's just a beautiful page to look at. All right, I think I'm good. I'm gonna leave that simple like that. So I hope you like it. I hope you're doing well. Can't wait to watch what you all are doing. And again, thank you so much for all your kindness that you've been showing me. And I'm just wishing you so much joy, so much happiness. I really pray that you have joy and peace and happiness in your life today and always, and that you get to find some time to be creative. So bye for now. Love always, Savannah.